In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update After Effects and your drivers to ensure a smoother experience and reduce crashes. Let's dive in and see how to keep your software and hardware in sync and up to date. First, let's talk about updating After Effects through Creative Cloud. Open up your Creative Cloud application and take a look to see if there's an available update for After Effects. If you spot one, go ahead and install it. Keeping After Effects updated ensures you have the latest features, improvements, and bug fixes, which can significantly enhance performance and stability. Next, we'll address your graphics card drivers. These are essential for rendering graphics efficiently, and outdated drivers are often a common culprit when it comes to crashes. Be sure to update both your dedicated GPU, like an NVIDIA or AMD card, and your integrated GPU if your system has one. Visiting the manufacturer's website will usually let you download the latest drivers. An updated driver can improve performance and compatibility with new software versions, minimizing the risk of crashes caused by rendering issues. It's also a good idea to update your operating system and any relevant system firmware or BIOS. These updates often include fixes that improve how your operating system interacts with applications like After Effects, and they can also address security vulnerabilities. Once you've tackled your updates, let's move on to clearing your media and disk cache, as well as purging memory in After Effects. Launch After Effects, then head over to Edit, followed by Preferences, and then Media and Disk Cache. There, you'll want to select Empty Disk Cache and Clean Database and Cache. This process clears out leftover temporary files that may lead to instability or affect performance. Additionally, you should navigate to Edit again, Purge, and then choose All Memory and Disk Cache. By doing this, you ensure no remnants are left to slow you down. While you're in the Media and Disk Cache settings, make sure your scratch or cache drive has sufficient free space and ideally is an SSD for faster read and write speeds. This minor adjustment can make a significant difference in how efficiently After Effects handles files and processing. Finally, let's consider adjusting your GPU or hardware acceleration settings. Navigate to File, then Project Settings, and look for Video Rendering and Effects. Change the option from using GPU acceleration, like Mercury GPU, to Mercury software only. After that, in the Preferences menu under Display, turn off Hardware Accelerate Composition, Layer and Footage panel. If by disabling these settings, crashes cease, it's a sign that your GPU mode might have been causing the issues. This would suggest the need for further driver updates or caution to avoid using GPU mode until a stable solution is found. By following these steps, your After Effects setup should run smoother, and you'll be better equipped to handle your projects without interruption. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.